Unang tumalo kay Nietes, nirisbakan ni Servania. Pasigaw-sigaw pa. Lamog din pala. Magandang araw mga pre. Mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Sa bidyong ito, pag-usapan natin ang naging laban ng ating kababayang si Genesis da Asukal Servania kontra sa unang nagmansya sa malinis na kartada ni Donnie Ahas Nietes na si Angki Angkota. Pero bago yan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. March 2, 2013, ang ikalawang pagdepensa ni Genesis Servania sa kaniyang WBO Asia Pacific Super Bantamweight title at nakaharap niya nga dito ang matibay ding Indonesian fighter na si Angkota. Bit-bit ni Servania ang malinis niyang kartada na 19 wins at 6 dito via knockout, habang si Angkota naman ay may 28 wins, 9 losses, 1 draw at 14 dito via knockout. Matatanda ang tinalo ni Angki Angkota itong si Donnie Ahas Nietes na nagmarka sa kanyang kauna-unahang pagkatalo sa kanyang karera via split decision noong September 28, 2004 at tinalo din niya si Sonny Boy Haro via technical decision. Natalo naman siya sa kamay ni AG Basuka Banal via unanimous decision. Marami na rin nakabangga ng matibay itong si Angkota, tulad na lang nila Jorge Arce na naglaban ng 2 beses at si Fernando Montiel.
Here is Angki Angkota. Genesis Asuka Servania.
Pero sa laban nila ni Servania ay talagang nalamog siya. Unang round pa lang nasa pole na ito ng Servania.
With yellow stripes, itong si Angki Angkota. Angkota fought here in Cebu in 2006. And you watch out for that loop niya. Good right to the body. Servania, good right to the body. Also went 9 rounds before losing to Fernando Cochulito Montiel.
Magaling ang boksingero ito si Servania. You gotta like his style.
You can see Angki Angkota telling Servania, pour more sugar on me. Sabi ni Angkota, ni Servania.
Ganyan ang mga estilo niya. Good body shot by Servania. Push him away. Good shot.
Big right hand.
And
Angkota is
Angkota in
hurt.
trouble. He's in trouble. Body shot by Servania. There goes the bell.
Sa round number 1, isang malaking kanan mula kay Genesis Servania. Naalog si Angki Angkota, isa pang angulo, big right hand.
Sa mga sumunod na round ay nakipagsabayan pa rin itong si Angkota. Umaabanti pa rin kahit tinatamaan na ng mga solido ni Servania.
Hard right to the side of the head, a hard right to the body. The left hook to the body. Then he keeps using.
Balik agad sa depensa. Good jabs by Servania.
Good right hand counter and another right to the side of the body. Angkota does a little jump.
Angkota doing the hard.
Sharply focused on what he needs to do. Good right hand to set him up for the right. You know?
And pinapakita masyado itong si Time. Good right uppercut.
Left uppercut. Angkota was hurt. No question about it. Angkota is hurt. He's fighting desperately.
At si Angkota trying to show that he's not hurt, but he got nailed by an
He
uppercut.
got nailed.
End of the round.
Patuloy na nilalamog ng Pinoy ang kalaban at patuloy naman sa kahambugan itong Indonesian.
Used the uppercut in the previous round.
Yes. Angkota, nandun pa rin yung focus niya.
When it comes to taking a punch, but the wear and tear may be. Angkota still looking. Kompletong laro ni Genesis Servania ngayon.
Good one. Angkota backs off. Servania catches him with the right. Beautiful right at the end of the round. Pero maganda yung depensa ni Anki Angkota din, Pata.
Oo.
You know, he
Number 4, bakbakan Genesis Servania at Anki Angkota para sa WBO Asia Pacific. He's been around a long
good
time.
left. That was a good left. That hurt him. Body shots by Servania. He's fighting back.
Good right to the body by Servania. Chopping right to the head.
Right uppercut. But Angkota coming.
Masuntok ni Servania. Yes. Big right hand pero Servania. May counter na uppercut si Servania. And again, Angkota. Pero tingin ko he was all shook up by the right hand.
Servania, good right
Servania.
uppercut. Alam mo na si Servania, tignan mo yung composure nitong bata na ito. You know,
Malinis naman.
Malinis
Fairness ang
talaga.
labang ito.
coming to the action, good body shots by Servania.
Solid body shots. And Angkota feeling the heat sa bodega.
He's trying to cover up Servania. Work to the body and the head will come down, but ito masi, that was a beautiful uppercut by Servania. Another uppercut. Alam mo na that can really frustrate the fighter sometimes. You connect, you throw everything you have at him.
Itong si Genesis Servania. Good left-right combination by Genesis. Body punches. By
But one of the high points, of course, of this whole cut.
Oh, napaka late na
Oh.
Oh, good right uppercut and another right hand. And Angkota, AJ Bazooka Banal in October 2006.
Round in my unofficial scorecard.
Oh, good uppercut. Lethargic sa offense, si Angkota.
Servania. He's dominating this guy as a boxer. Another good body shot.
Pero sa 7th round, napuno na si Servania at tinapos na si Angkota.
2 pounds,
Clubbing
Servania.
right there by Servania.
Coming out.
He'd be deadly.
Right now, pinapakita ni Servania ang kanyang ring
Skill.
generalship.
His skill as a fighter.
And Angkota.
Then Sami Serrano.
And then, of course, let's not forget the very first world champion of Indonesia, Elias Pikal.
Yes. But he doesn't know how to fight Servania. Oh, beautiful right hand by Servania. Followed by another good one. Servania pushes him off. And now I thought Servania said, come on. And Servania, he hurt him, but he took him down. Another hard right by Servania.
And those uppercuts are the reason why Angkota is bleeding all over the nose. Ang daming uppercuts na binibitawan ni Servania. And the referee stopping the fight. At itinigil na ng referee Tony Pesos.
Panalo si Genesis Servania via 7th round TKO at napanatili ang malinis na record nito.
There's the right cracking right from Servania. Sa parte pong ito ay dugo na ang ilong ni Angkota sa dami ng mga uppercuts. Look at that.
And still, WBO Asia Pacific Super Bantamweight Champion from the Philippines, Genesis Azuka Servania.
Palike naman ng video kung nagustuhan ninyo ito. Salamat sa panonood mga pre. As always, amping perme.